Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018 on a 68 plate Skoda Fabia. This is the 1 litre TSI petrol, SE L specification with a DSG Automatic Gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Quartz Grey Metallic, and it's covered just 11,000 miles. So have a good walk around this super low mileage automatic Skoda Fabia SE L, top of the range model. What a lovely bit of kit. We've just bought the car from a local lady who's owned the car from brand new. She bought the car from our local Skoda Main agent, October 2018 registered. It's covered just 11,800 miles with good service history, all at the supplying dealer. Looks fantastic in the quartz grey with the 16-inch alloy wheels that are in really good shape. Lovely combination. £180 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. The 1 litre turbocharged petrol engine and that silky smooth DSG auto gearbox go really nicely together. 60 miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Skoda as well. So really economical, sensible insurance group. 5-door practicality. It ticks an awful lot of boxes. Volkswagen built, of course. And the SE L specification is very nice indeed. You get the metallic paint, you get the upgraded alloy wheels. And then as we have a look inside, it's exactly as you'd expect from such a low mileage car. Very nice indeed. We've got these half cloth and Alcantara seats with only very minimal signs of wear. Centre armrest. Manual handbrake. All the door cards in good shape. You get remote central locking with 2 remote keys. It's keyless start as well. Front electric windows, electronically adjustable and heated door mirrors. It's got a start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off using that little button at the top there. Automatic lights. There's your push button start, and then onto the steering wheel, which is in really good shape as well. You've got controls for your trip computer, adaptive cruise control. You got your radio controls. There's your cruise, and there's your DSG gearbox. A couple of keys down there, 2 cup holders, some grippy storage down below, 12-volt socket, USB input, all your handbooks in the glove box, and your disc for the satellite navigation. We'll just start the car up. So foot on the brake, as long as you've got the keys somewhere about you. Starts up. That'll just warm up now. Climate control down below. And then that's your mileage. 11,880. It's really nice low mileage. And then over to your infotainment. So we'll start on the main menu. Smart Link, so that's your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Media command. We've got your Skoda Connect, some images if you want them, sound controls, your settings, your radio. Now that's DAB digital radio. There we go. You got Bluetooth for your telephone, and we've got satellite navigation as well, and it knows where we are, which is always nice. If I put the car into reverse, parking sensors at the back, and you've got your parking pilot, so that will show a radar as you get closer to whatever object is lurking behind. So there we go, really nice place to be. Obviously it's like being in a Volkswagen Polo really, but you can smile because you probably save some money and you get all the kit you could need. It's got its carpet mats which run throughout as we take a look in the back. Lovely condition again. 3 seat belts with the ISOFIX, so comfortable 5-seater. got the parking sensors to the rear, and then into the boot space. Really good size, ever so practical. You've got your parcel shelf, split folding rear seats, and then we've got this really good size load space. Fabia rubber load cover, just to protect the boot lining, so that comes out obviously, and then you've got your carpet underneath. And this also has the luxury of a 15-inch spare wheel. So there we go, you've got all your bits and bobs, locking wheel nut, key, etc. And that's all there is to it. Exactly as it should be. October 2018 Skoda Fabia SE L petrol automatic, 11,000 miles, from one local owner with Skoda service history. Finance is available from around £260 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, a service, and 2 remote keys, along with our standard 6 months nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance group, specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website, www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Good value, lovely looking car, great spec, good provenance as well. This will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.